Good afternoon, everybody. It's Miss Corinna here with another Try It Tuesday. Today we are going to be making microwave baked apples. We might all have some apples left from our apple picking, and this is a great little snack or dessert that you can make probably by yourself. So I have an apple here, and I'm going to core out the middle with my spoon. I'm going to leave the bottom intact though. So I'm going to core out just by digging the spoon in. I'm going to make a little hole in the center and discard my core here. I'm going to try to scoop out all the seeds. Without losing too much of the apple. Okay, so I have a little hollow in my apple. So now I'm going to take my sweet ingredients in this little cup I have pre-measured. I have 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and I have a half a teaspoon each of nutmeg and cinnamon. So I'm just going to give this a quick stir with my spoon. I'm going to pour this into my apple. Now I'm going to I have a little bit of butter, so I'm going to take a little pat of butter. And I'm going to put it right on top of my sugar and spices inside the apple. So you just need about a teaspoon, just a little amount, little dollop right on top. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just cover this with a paper towel, and I'm going to put it in the microwave for 3.5 minutes, and hopefully we'll have a delicious warm baked apple snack. All right, I think our apple's done. I'm going to open the microwave and I'm going to test my bowl because I don't know how hot that's gotten in the past 3.5 minutes. I think it's okay. I'm going to hold it by the paper towel. Let's see how we did. Oh, that looks pretty good. The butter and the spices and the brown, it's almost made a caramel. Can you see that? It's a little gooey. It's sticking right to the spoon. This looks delicious. I left my peel on, but you might want to peel yours. I like the skin and it's good for you, so although it's a little hard to cut through. It doesn't look super pretty. But it does smell delicious. I'm going to test it here. This is a delicious snack. It's ingredients you might already have in your house, and I hope you try it. It's a great warm dish on a cold November day. See you next time.